for today's assembly. Honorable Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, coordinators, teachers and my fellow students, I welcome you to the Independence Day Assembly.
I request all of you to sit down. Take your seat, please. Please.
The day on which our eyes are filled with glory, the day on which our hearts are filled with pride, the day on which every Indian shouted Vande Mataram, the day which took a lot of struggle and sacrifice, and that day is none other than our Independence Day. Today, as the tricolor unfurls in the morning breeze, we stand proud and united to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation, India. It was on this very day, in 1947, that India broke the chains of colonial rule and soared into the sky of freedom. Today, we pay tribute to the brave freedom fighters who made this day possible. I would like to invite Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am and Coordinator Ma'am to pay floral tribute to our beloved Arjun Bhaiya. I would like to invite Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am and Coordinator Ma'am to pay floral tribute to our beloved Arjun Bhaiya. At this time, I would like to invite an extremely talented duo, Srivika of Class 5C and Ananya of Class 6B, who will sing a patriotic song on
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ
before you. मेरी आन है तू, मेरी शान है तू, तिरंगे मेरी जान है तू। जिंदगी से हार कर भी जीत जाते हैं वो, कफन जब उनका तुम बन जाते हो। मेरी आन है तू, मेरी शान है तू, तिरंगे मेरी जान है तू। तेरे ही रंगों से पहचान है वतन की, तेरी ही किरण शान है वतन की। जब तू लहराए सब साथ आए, वतन की रक्षा का वो गीत गाए। मेरी आन है तू, मेरी शान है तू, तिरंगे मेरी जान है तू। शहीदों को देखकर जब आंखें हो जाती है नम, तू ही बनता हौसला, तू ही बन जाता है कर्म। मेरी आन है तू, मेरी शान है तू, तिरंगे मेरी जान है तू। थैंक यू।
शान पे सदके कोई हद है क्या? Welcome to LAKMS News channel. On the occasion of Independence Day, let us make our freedom fighters time travel to 2025 and ask them about their journey. So here comes our beloved Bapu. Bapu, please tell us about your journey.
मैंने हमेशा अपने देश में अहिंसा का प्रचार किया और पहले नहीं बोलते अपने देशवासी को देखकर जैसे सॉल्ट पे टैक्सेस के खिलाफ आवाज उठाने के लिए हम साबरमती आश्रम से पैदल गांधी तक चल के गए.
Thank you so much, Bapu. We love you. Joining us next is Rani Lakshmi Bai.
After my husband's death, the British East India Company under the doctrine of lapse wanted to annex Jhansi. I declared that I shall not give away my Jhansi and fought bravely against them.
Absolutely, we have heard. बुंदेले हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Continuing the interview, let's call a few more of our heroes.
I am Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. I launched the Khilafat movement that had some other agenda, but it also promoted Hindu and Muslim unity in India. I mainly contributed in laying the foundation of education in India.
I played an important role in the Indian independence movement against the British Raj. Through my literary works and oratory skills, I ignited the spirit of patriotism among fellow Indians.
I was an anti-colonial revolutionary. I did not believe in the non-violent theory of the Indian National Congress and hence to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, my friends and I wanted to kill James Scott, but mistakenly we killed John Saunders, for which I was under trial and in jail.
These such rewards are the reasons why we sit here so free and independent today.
But are we really independent? Are we? Are we able to do any work in India without the thought of bribes crossing in our mind? The corruption in our Indian political system is not letting our country reach to its best.
Do we think we Indians are really independent? My fellow Indians lack civic sense and are still bound to the shackles of pollution. Do my sisters have the freedom to walk around freely at any time of the day, work in any field of their choice, wear anything that they like?
The recent Hindi, Kannada, Marathi, Hindi, these languages clashes and makes us question, do we really have the freedom of speech? Are we free to choose a city of our choice to stay? In many ways, we see racism at its peak.
Back then I promoted non-violence, but today I see some corrupted leaders who just turned violence due to religious differences.
Crimes against men, women, and children are rising day by day. It saddens my heart, but I want to encourage you, all the young minds of future India to truly make India independent and free from all these flaws. Then only we can celebrate Independence Day in its true spirit.
आजादी हर हाल में हमें देखनी है आजादी.
सरहद पे हमें आवाज लगानी है, माथे पे तिलक जय हिंद लगाओ मेरी निशानी है। सरहद पे चले सरहद पे हमें आवाज लगानी है, माथे पे तिलक जय हिंद लगाओ मेरी निशानी है। सूरज की तरह चलते हम सर चलते हम पर्वत को गिराते बढ़ते हम चट्टान से दौड़े सीनों के भाग उठाना है, जोश में सब बरोश कर जाना है। बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो, रुकना नहीं झुकना नहीं, बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो बढ़ते चलो, हमारे साथ है दिशा बढ़ते चलो।
There is Krishna. There is Krishna. There is victory. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ananta Jha, and today I am going to tell you something about Janmashtami, the birthday of Lord Krishna. Janmashtami is a very special festival for Hindu. It celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna, who was born in Mathura to Devaki and Vasudeva. He was born at midnight in a prison because his uncle Kansa was a cruel king and wanted to kill him. But Krishna was jailed and taken to Gokul, where he grew up with Yashoda and Nanda. Krishna was a very lovely and happy child. He loved butter and played the flute. People loved him very much. He also fought many demons and protected the people. When he grew up, he helped the Pandavas in Mahabharata and taught the world to follow truth and duty. We celebrate Janmashtami by decorating temples, singing songs, and doing Holi. People pray to Lord Krishna at midnight at the time he was born. In the end, I would like to say, Lord Krishna teaches us to be honest, brave, and kind. Let us follow his path and spread love and happiness. Thank you and happy Janmashtami. Thank you, Anu.
जो है नैना वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है, जो है अलबेला मद नैना वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है।
Vice Principal Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, teachers, and my fellow friends. I, Tanush Purva, the head boy of the school, feel extremely privileged to express my views on the occasion of the 79th Independence Day. 78 years ago, the morning of 15th August 1947 broke not just with the first light of the day, but with the first light of freedom. Our tricolor rose in the sky, carrying with it the dreams of millions who had fought, fought, and sacrificed so that India could breathe as an independent nation. Freedom, however, was not gifted to us. It was earned with the sweat of farmers, the voice of reformers, the ink of writers, and the blood of countless patriots. We all know the towering figures, Mahatma Gandhi, whose truth and non-violence shook the might of an empire, Bhagat Singh, whose courage ignited the nation's spirit. But let us also remember the heroes history sometimes forgets. Raini Gadelio, who just 16-year-old led a revolt against the British in the northeast. Lodi Sitaram Raju, who fought fearlessly in the Rampara Rebellion. Matangini Hajra, the 73-year-old woman who marched with the tricolor in her hands till her very last breath. These brave souls remind us that patriotism knows no age, no background, no region. Their sacrifices were not for themselves, but for the generations yet to come, for us. Here at Lieutenant Atul Kataria Memorial School, we carry forward the spirit of service and sacrifice that our namesake, Lieutenant Atul Kataria, Sena Medal Veertam, our beloved Atul Bhaiya, stood for. His courage and dedication to the nation inspire us every day, and to lead with integrity, to work with discipline, and to place a greater good above the personal gain. Our classrooms are more than the places of learning. They are the trained grounds for responsible citizenship. And here we are, the inheritors of the dreams of our freedom fighters. We live in a free India, but what we do with that freedom will define whether we are worth of it. Independence is not just the absence of change, it's the presence of purpose. For students like us, patriotism begins in the small choices, staying disciplined, respecting diversity, striving for excellence, and using our education not just for personal success, but for the progress of our nation. Today's battles are fought not on the battlefields, but in the classrooms, laboratories, and community spaces, with ideas, innovation, and integrity as our weapons. As we raise our flag today, let it not just be a symbol of what we have won in the past, but a reminder of what we must win in the future. Equality, sustainability, justice, and unity. My dear friends, our freedom fighters gave us an India to be proud of. Now, it is our duty to create an India future generation will thank us for. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you for your... Beneath the rising sun, our dreams took flight. Through storms and shadows, we held the light. Each dawn we stand unbroken and free for the land that lives in you and me. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, my dear teachers and my fellow students. I am Subhanjali Chakravarti, the head girl of Lieutenant Atul Kataria Memorial School, and I feel immense pride and honor to stand before you today as we are gathered here to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation. On this day, in 1947, India awoke to freedom. The chains of colonial rule were broken, and the dreams of countless freedom fighters became a reality. But this freedom came at a great cost, a cost paid in courage, in sacrifice, and in the lives of men and women who believed in an India that was free, united, and just. As Bhagat Singh once said, "They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they will not be able to crush my spirit." This spirit brought us to our independence, and it is the same spirit spirit we must carry forward. Independence Day is not just a reminder of our past struggles. It is a call to action for our present and our future. It tells us that freedom is not static. It must be nurtured, protected, and strengthened every single day through our actions. Our school, Lieutenant Atul Kataria Memorial School, is itself a living tribute to sacrifice and patriotism. Named after our beloved Atul Bhaiya, a brave son of our soil, it inspires us to serve our nation with integrity and selflessness. Here, we are taught that patriotism lives not only in grand gestures, but also in honesty, discipline, empathy, and the sense of responsibility towards one another. As young citizens, we have the power to shape the India that our leaders dreamed of. An India where opportunities are equal, diversity is celebrated, and justice stands for all. Let us pledge today not only to be proud of our tricolor, but also to honor it through our actions, our words, and our choices. Dear friends, freedom is not merely a gift of past, it is the responsibility for future. Let us hold it with care, strengthen it with unity, and pass it on with pride. The wind may change, the world may sway, but we are the dawn that lights the day. For freedom's fire will never sleep, while we have promises to keep. Thank you and Jai Hind.
And happy Independence Day to everyone. May this day inspire us to keep working even harder, to believe in the dreams of our freedom fighters and build Viksit Bharat. This is our dream which should carry forward. This is for the country. As children here in school and as educators, what we could do to make this dream materialize is we should be working towards academics, working towards becoming good human beings. At micro level, we start with having a disciplined life, a life of integrity, a life that we are trusting people, we are helping people. All these qualities should be there in every Atulian who is sitting here and every educator who is a part of the LKMS family. Yesterday, as the President, Draupadi Murmu had spoken to the school, to the country on the eve of independence, this is our 79th Independence Day. As she spoke, she talked about India's economic resilience that is noting a 6.5% GDP growth and infrastructure expansion that is happening, and we are having the Make in India and Atmanirbhar vision that is going to be there. It also asks for a collective response to make India a developing country. As I am speaking here, before coming here, I saw how we had, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi starting his speech at the Red Fort after the flag was hoisted there, and he had also spoken about very important things. Operation Sindoor that had taken place will go down in history as an example of humanity against terrorism. The key highlight that is at Gyanpat today, we are going to have the symbol of Sindoor operation as a logo there. This festival of pride, this Independence Day, we talk about it's a moment of pride and it is a moment of full joy. Let us all celebrate it with full enthusiasm, love and respect. Thank you everyone. Namaste. And I hope everyone enjoyed today's assembly and the prayer and the cultural activities which were done by the children. And also a happy Janmashtami to come the following day. Thank you everyone.